Let's do the Minute Cryptic for November 13th. NYTs disrupted by a strike order for writers. Interesting. So a bit thematic, although it wasn't writers, but they have to do what they can for the clues. So we're not supposed to take this literally. Instead, what we have is wordplay. So the beginning or end is going to be our definition, and then the remaining words are going to be wordplay. Now, I doubt NYTs is our definition, so I think writers is our definition. And then NYTs disrupted by a strike order for writers. Interesting. I mean, we could even be like order for writers, like a book or an article or something like that. Article doesn't fit. Okay. NYTs. So maybe it's NYTS. It's been disrupted. I don't know what disrupted wordplay would mean. And then it's by a strike or a strike order. So like a strike could be like a hit. So I'm thinking this is two things. NYTs disrupted. So we probably are needing to, I'm thinking disrupted is probably an anagram indicator, just because anything that's kind of like destroying or mixing or things like that are going to potentially be anagram indicators. So we need to anagram NYTS, like STYN, for example. I don't know exactly what that's going to be. And then it's by a strike. I just need to think about, maybe we end in Y though. Maybe it's like a STNY or something. Order for writers though. Do I need a hint? I feel like I'm almost there. TSNY or NTSY. This feels like the ending to a word, NTSY. Or is it just NYT? Maybe we don't need the S. Maybe we end in like NTY. And then strike, we could be like hitney. No. All right. Maybe I will show the hint then. Okay, so order for writers, that's what I thought. Order for writers is our definition. I just don't see how we're putting a Y in the middle of this word. So I think disrupted by a strike. So a strike. I might have to show a letter. Let's see. The Y is here. Oh, okay. So I'm wrong. It doesn't end in that anagram. It starts with that anagram. So I think maybe like SYNT syntax. Is axe a strike? Interesting. So syntax is literally the order you write things in. So that's pretty interesting. So I wasn't interpreting order for writers correctly, but that's a tricky one. Darn, if I'd played around a bit more with putting the anagrammed NYTS first, I would have probably thought of syntax without all that help, but the help helped, obviously. Now a strike being axe is interesting. I mean, you strike with an axe, but doesn't axe end in E? Interesting. All right. Well, how'd you do?